Hello, this is Adam Rains out in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here to make the Bermuda Colada. So I'm going to start with the star of the show, Goslings, which is a blend of pot still and column still, aged delightfully in charred American oak. So I'm going to throw some of that in there. So we do about 2 ounces of that. Put that in there. And then I'm going to make things even more rich by putting in orange liqueur, Grand Marnier in this case. Also beautiful and lush. Do about a 1/2 ounce of that. Then to balance out the strong and the sweet, we're going to add some zippy acidity from a little bit of lime juice. And then finally, we have some coconut sorbetto, which of course lime and coconut and island thyme just go hand in hand. PB&J. So all right, now we're gonna shake it a little bit. What I want to do is incorporate that sorbetto and the rum and all the other ingredients and get it all frothy, get it shaken together. And then now I'm gonna add a little bit of ice to get the concoction nice and cold. We're having fun here tonight, Friday night. Always a good time. All right, so now we're gonna add some crushed ice in this drink. I just love crushed ice drinks. Makes everything nice and cold. So let's do it. Look at that luscious blend right there. It's making me thirsty. I'm going to pack that down a little bit. We're going to top it off. Top this off. Little Australian bitters. And edible flower. Just because it's pretty. And cheers, this is the Bermuda Colada.
Okay, a couple pointers, but it was really good.